Hello everyone, myself Mr. Valmik Tanpure and this is my channel Education Tech TVR. Today I am preparing the video for you. Now please see this video till the end, and if you like this video then press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Then you will get the more videos from me. What is data? Now, facts or figures is known as the data. Data is the plural of the data. Now data can be classified as following. You can stop the video and write the information. Now types of data: primary data, secondary data, data which is not will be collected and which is unpublished research are called the secondary data. Now objectives. At the end of this lesson you will get understood: identify the data, its types, identify class interval and its types, solve the histogram, solve circle graph, solve probability. Now we will see the pictograph. Represent the numerical data in the form of the pictures is called the pictograph. Pictographs are very easy to read because but it cannot express the exact value. Now this is the pictorial representation of the information. Now the bar graph. Bar graph is another form of the graph. Now showing the quantity of the data according to the length of the bars. These bars can be either horizontal or the vertical. This bar graph represent ages of different animals. From this bar graph we can get the age of the animals. Now comparison of data. We can represent the two sets of the data in bar graph. These bar graphs show the monthly expenditure in 2006 and also in the 2007. These types of graph is a double bar graph. We call the compare to set of data using this double bar graph. Okay, the bar graph I have shown here. Then frequency distribution, the types of data. Raw data. Raw data is collected of the initial observations, not yet original. It is the information we get when we do survey. It can be classified into two types: discrete data and continuous data. Discrete data means such data can be very precisely measured in whole numbers. The number of children in the family and size of the shoes are some examples of the discrete data. See, now continuous data. Such data can have any value between two whole numbers, such as it cannot be measured with absolute accuracy. There will be always be some error. Weight of students in class and the temperature in the city are some examples of the continuous data. Frequency distribution table. Now look at the following data. The numbers I have written here. See, 6 by 6 9 7 4 2 4 7 8 3 4 9 8 2 3 5 9 7 8 9 7 5 6 7 7 4 4 7 8 3 4. Okay, you can stop the video and see. From this data we know only the performance grade of the students in month. Let's form the table for this. Now first table: grade, tally marks, number of students. So here when you are making the tally marks, it should be in bunch of 5 5. Okay, this is the frequency distribution table, and whatever frequency you got, you have to write in the frequency column, such as I have written for the 9. Okay, from 9 to 3. Okay, 9 to 3. Then frequency distribution table using class interval. Example, see, given below. Now see, I have written here the one example.